So right now we are having the specimen paper 4 of your total English class 11. So let's begin with the first one. First, the flight from Delhi to Kolkata takes 2 hours. Now the answer is it is a 2 hours flight from Delhi to Kolkata. Now second, I would rather prefer to walk through the park than go there by car. I'd rather walk through the park than go there by car. Now see, it all happened so quickly that I never got a good look at her face. It all happened too quickly to get a good look at her face. Now D. They are installing a new computer next month. A new computer is being installed by them next month. Now E. He has a very few friends. He has hardly any friends. Now second part B. Fill in the each blank with a suitable word. The prince was turned into. B. My application was turned down. C. The counselor deals fairly with. D. The shop deals with imported goods. Oh, now E. He was gunned down in the public park. My friend has been gunning for me after I got the promotion. G. You cannot just live in the moment. H. We will live on. I am gaining weight. I need to cut down on junk food. Now J. I forgot to pay the electricity bill. The company has cut off our supply. Now let's move to the third part first. First is act, second connected, third changed, fourth decided, fifth fooled, sixth hired, seventh spent, eighth promised, ninth done, and tenth bet. Now let's move to the comprehension passage. First part referred to before. F F4's mentioned. Now second, people belonging to the same class, Goldsmith. Now third, well reared, through board. Now the make the sentences first. Ground. I shifted my room from top to the ground floor due to summer. Now second, low. He spoke in a low voice that nobody could heard him. Third, run. The students run around the school campus after the class. Now let's move to the second part A. What was the complaint of the local goldsmith? How did the superintendent react to the complaint? The complaint of the local goldsmith was that he was bitten by a dog. Superintendent of the police listened to the complaint and threatens to teach a lesson to those who allow their dogs to run all over places. He said that stray dogs must be throttled. Now, second, when the superintendent was told that the general owned the puppy, what did he say about the animals? When the superintendent was told that the general owned the puppy, he became nervous and questioned him a, how a tall and heavy man like him was bitten by a small and weak looking dog. A third, why did the superintendent say that the dog could not belong to the general? What did he tell the goldsmith? The superintendent said that the dog could not belong to the general because he claimed that he knew the dog. The general has valuable dogs, well reared one. He told the goldsmith that you have been inspired. We cannot let the matter drop. We must give them a lesson. Now depart. How did the superintendent praise the dog in the last paragraph? What made him do so? The superintendent praised the dog, saying that it has honors dog. It's not a bad pup. It's a lovely creature. It is a nice little puppy, etc. He made to do so because he came to know that the dog belonged to his stock, the general stock. Okay. Now, time to move to the summary of this comprehension. Now, the initially the superintendent decide to teach a lesson to the owner of the dog. He also said that the dog must strangle without any delay as it is a mad one. But when he came to know that it was the general's dog, he refused to take any action against the owner of the dog as he did not have the courage to go against the general. So changed his opinion and went extremely opposite. He started questioning the man and refused to believe that such a small dog could bite a large and heavy man like him. So this is all about this chapter. Just make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel.